Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery life review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and this phone is costing around about 40,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get 5020 mAh battery size on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s with 18 watt fast charging, and the processor we have is a Snapdragon 720G chipset which is based on 8nm architecture. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Okay guys, and first I'm gonna tell you that I first completely charged this phone up to 100% yesterday at 5:18 p.m. My phone is completely charged up to 100% after that, and I set the brightness all the way up to max, and I also insert my SIM card on this phone, and also I set the volume all the way up to 100%, and then I am using this phone as my daily driver. And guys, in the first round I use the Spotify app for 1 hour, and the Spotify app is consumed about 4% in 1 hour. I use music for about 1 hour at 100 volume all the time. Next up, I use the Instagram for about 1 hour, and Instagram app is consumed about 11%. My battery percentage is at 85%, as you can see in the video. And guys, I have to say that after 7 p.m. my dark mode is automatically off, so I use the Instagram app half in light mode and half in the dark mode. And next up, I play the PUBG mobile game for about 3 hours, and my battery percentage is at 50%. About 35% battery is consumed, and I play the PUBG mobile game with balanced graphics and ultra frame rate all the time, and my brightness is all the way up to max, as well as the speaker volume. After that, I use the YouTube app for about 2 hours, and the YouTube app is consumed about 25% battery is consumed for 2 hours of YouTube. My volume is at 100%. After that, I use the Twitter app for about 1 hour, one more social media app, and this app is consumed about 11%. My battery percentage is at 14%, as you can see in this video. Overall, I have to say that I really impressed by the battery performance of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, because this phone comes with a massive 5020 mAh battery capacity with a efficient Snapdragon 720G chipset based on 8nm. Now let's show you the screen on time, what I get screen on time on this phone. Now let's go to the battery usage and screen, and you can see this phone gave me a 6 hours and 36 minutes screen on time. And guys, this is the highest screen on time that I get on any phone right now on my battery life review. It is not 100% accurate, but I have to say that this phone give you a over 6 hours of screen on time with 100 brightness level and 100 volume all the time. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery life review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.